Illustrate means to explain or show something clearly using examples or pictures. For example, the teacher used a drawing to illustrate how rain forms. Estimate means to guess or calculate the amount, size, or value of something. For example, I estimate that there are about 30 apples in this basket. Emphasize means to give special importance to something. For example, the coach emphasized the importance of teamwork during the game. Compensate means to make up for something, usually when something is wrong or missing. For example, they compensated me for the extra hours I worked on the weekend. Neutral means not taking sides or not being affected by something. For example, the referee remained neutral during the match, not supporting any team. Imply means to suggest something without saying it directly. For example, his tone of voice implied that he was upset, but he didn't say it directly. Dilemma difficult situation where you have to choose between two or more options. For example, she was facing a dilemma about whether to stay at her current job or accept a new offer. Tolerate means to accept or allow something, even if you don't like it. For example, he doesn't like loud music, but he tolerates it when his friends play it. Comprehend means to understand something fully. For example, she took a moment to comprehend the instructions before starting the test. Accumulate means to gather or collect things over time. For example, over the years, he managed to accumulate a large collection of rare books. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.